Entities are formed at the state level. Your state of domain, your state of domicile, and this would be for your business, okay? So those entities are filed with your Secretary of State. And there's typically a fee that goes with that, and it's as wide and varied as all 50 of these states in our United States. But that rule holds true no matter where you go, okay? When you file your application with your Secretary of State, depending on the entity that you choose, now I'm going to start kind of making Y's in the road. If you are a corporation, and there's different kinds of corporations, we'll talk about that, you need something called Articles of Incorporation. And you file those with your Secretary of State when you make your application. If you are filing as an LLC, a limited liability company, then you have to file something called an operating agreement. Do not cheap out, spend the necessary money, hire a competent attorney to draft your articles of incorporation and or your operating agreement for your limited liability company. Okay? This is a small insurance policy that you do on the front end that can avoid you potential disaster on the back end, okay? Now, setting up a corporation in terms of just all the flavors of legal advice that are out there or accounting advice, it's fairly generic, okay? It's the devil is in the details. It's in the nuance. And I've been doing this a long time. So it's just a lesson that I've learned as a consumer. Hire the professional, pay the necessary money on the front end, get the right advice, and craft your document correctly before you file with the Secretary of State.